In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default web browser in Telegram. If links you tap in Telegram, keep opening inside the app or in a browser you don't prefer. This quick walkthrough will help you switch to the one you like. We'll start on mobile inside Telegram, then show an Android system setting that makes all apps follow your browser choice. And finish with Telegram desktop on Windows. On your phone, open Telegram and head to Settings. From there, choose Data and Storage. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Open Links in. You'll see options that include the Telegram and app browser and any browsers installed on your device, like Chrome or Safari. Pick the browser you want. That single change tells Telegram to launch links in your chosen browser instead of the in-app viewer. It's a great way to keep your saved logins, extensions, and privacy settings consistent across what you open. This choice applies just to Telegram, so other apps will keep using their own or the system default until you change them separately. If you don't see your preferred browser in the list, make sure it's installed and up to date on your device. Then return to the screen and select it. And if you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and choose a different option. If you want to go a step further and make sure every app on your Android phone respects the same choice, adjust your system default. Open your phone's settings, select Apps, tap the three vertical dots, and choose Default Apps. Then tap Browser App and pick the browser you want. This sets a single browser as the default for links system-wide, so Telegram and other apps will follow that preference. Menu names can vary slightly by device, but apps and default apps will be the key sections you are looking for. On a computer, Telegram Desktop relies on your operating system's default browser. To change that on Windows, open Windows Settings. Select Apps, then Default Apps. Choose the browser you want to use. Find the HTTP link type. Click it and switch it to your preferred browser. After that, any link you open from Telegram Desktop will hand off to the browser you selected. You don't need to restart Telegram. The next links you click will honor the new default automatically. Thanks for watching.